Hello guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is JV. Today, we're going to ride a helicopter to see the glacier, walk around and drink glacier water. And now we are in the helicopter, awaiting to fly. I'm so excited guys, to see what glacier look like and to see the beautiful mountains of Alaska. Finally, we landed safely in the area. I'm going to give you a 360 degrees views guys. After the grouping and giving instruction, the tour guide said to just follow.
Meanwhile, a few moments later.
Guys, look at that stunning view.
Thanks, Emma.
No, stand there.
No,
So
I'm scared.
After taking pictures and videos, now we are going to go to the source of glacier water. Look at that guys. Guys, I want to know in the comment section below your answers.
Oh, I didn't record it. You gotta do it again.
Okay.
I totally recorded twice.
After the quick tour of the glacier, we are going back to the helicopter again. But wait, there's more. The helicopter pilot said she is going to bring us to the snowy part of the mountain for some amazing views. Guys, while you are enjoying the view, by the way, my current position now is youth staff, but before I was a galley steward or dishwasher. And I am so grateful that I got promoted after a few contracts. Yes guys, that's my story. Now I have more chances to go an excursion like this. By the way guys, I spent $200 for this tour, including the crew discount for the tour. That's the smoothest drift I ever experienced, guys. And also, if you found my video interesting, by the way guys, my goal is to reach 100k subscribers within a year, and I hope I can make it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next videos.